Today's video is about herbal kidney cleansing supplements that you can use. When we say kidney cleansing, we're talking about things that are good for the kidney, things that help reduce inflammation, things that help can remove toxins, provide antioxidant support, immune support, and just so many good things for the kidney. Thanks for watching. I'm Robert Galarowicz, naturopath, nutritionist, kidney transplant survivor, going on 19 years, very shortly, in about a month. Make sure to subscribe to our videos. Got hundreds of how to help your kidney health. Now, before we get into herbs, and herbs are great, herbs are wonderful, but herbs are like our natural drugs, our natural pharmacy, because they act like drugs, because they have drug-like effects. Just mainly, most of them are just way less side effects, considered GRAS status for most of them, generally recognized as safe. So before you get into herbs, you want to take care of the basics with your body, because if you don't take care of the basics, you're really limiting the amount of support that you can get. So when we talk about the basics, like if you're low in vitamin D, you should be supplementing in vitamin D. Vitamin D is something that's very low in most people with kidney disease. And taking vitamin D helps with proteinuria, it supports your kidneys, and it's natural to the body. Your body needs vitamin D. You might need omega-3s for some inflammation. Omega-3 is a natural vitamin to your body. Maybe some sodium bicarbonate to help support your kidneys. Wonderful sodium bicarbonate, NaC. So make sure you cover the basics before jumping into herbs. But there's no reason that you can't go to herbs. It's just going to limit the effectiveness of your overall program. There are a lot of herbs for the kidneys. Not even going to cover anywhere close to what's out there. I'm going to cover the ones that I'm very familiar with, have years of experience and practice using. I've used them on myself, so that's what we're getting into. And we're talking about chronic kidney disease, not kidney stones, chronic kidney disease. So one of my favorite, cordyceps, a mushroom herb, the Caterpillar Fungus, wonderful for kidney problems. Ginger, okay, ginger is another thing that's really great for kidney problems. Curcumin. You want to use a high absorption curcumin, milk thistle, astragalus, and then there's more specific ones like thunder god, resveratrol. Green tea is also something that's generally helped with as an herbal to support kidney health. So regardless of whatever you choose, when you use herbals, okay, you want to use like 2 to upwards of 3, because you really want to compound them because they generally work synergistically and you get a better effect. So maybe use a cordyceps with a ginger with curcumin, curcumin with the cordyceps and milk thistle. You decide whatever's best for you, but whatever way you're going to go about it, you want to use at least 2, maybe 3. And here are just some guidelines on using them. Extracts are always better, but whatever you can get. Cordyceps, make sure you get around the 2,000 milligrams per day. You would divide that into multiple times a day, maybe 1,000 milligrams twice a day for cordyceps. Ginger, you want 500 milligrams of a pill, and you want 1,500 milligrams per day. So total is 1,500 milligrams per day. Curcumin, a high absorption source, 1,500 milligrams per day. And I also have more videos that break down these individual nutrients if you want to learn more. Milk thistle, 1,500 milligrams a day. That's generally going to be the area that you find most herbs are dosed. In most studies, is around that 1,500 milligram area. So strive for that with your astragalus, your milk thistle, green tea if you decide to use that. Reishi mushrooms, another one that you can use, 1,500 milligrams a day. It's kind of the general area in terms of herbs. Make sure that you speak to someone about this for your personal situation, because some of them can't interfere with drugs. Generally, they're very safe, especially the ones I mentioned, very good for you, but they do have interactions sometimes, so be mindful of that. Watch our videos, hundreds more on how to support good kidney health. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.